Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Aquarius, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So let's start with these cards. We have Five of Swords in reverse, Nine of Pentacles in reverse. Sorry guys, these cards are slipping. And Ace of Cups. So in your situation, guys, Aquarius, there are some troubles you are going through in your life. Maybe some obstacles or hurdles in your work situation, or some arguments or fights in your relationship. So that may be some situation today, something happening today, and you feel that you cannot trust the person you are in relationship with, or you cannot believe in the people in your work situation. So there are certain things happening and you doubt someone in your work. You feel they are the reason for troubles in your work situation, Aquarius. But I also see that you have some new beginning coming towards you. Maybe if you are open to a new relationship, there is someone interesting coming towards you and you are really happy for that, because this person interests you and this is the person, person of your dreams. Maybe all those qualities that you expected, that kind of person is coming towards you. Or you, whatever the image you had, maybe even it may even be some qualities they have, so that is matching the dream personality you imagined. So you are really happy and you are jumping with joy. You have that contentment and joy today. Or it may be something in your work situation, a new beginning in your work situation, guys, and something related to those things you love to do, something you are really passionate about. So those beginnings are coming towards you and you are happy for it. And though you are having some troubles, let it be in your work or let it be in your relationship, if you are in a relationship, these fights and arguments are bringing out the problems you need to solve. So it is helping you today, guys, to find a solution. So all those fights and arguments are helping you to solve the situation in your solve the problems in your situation, guys. So all those troubles are you are finding that clarity, or you are finding the answers for the questions you have in your mind, or this person is finding the answers they need to find from you. So these energies may be vice versa. So even in your work situation, whatever troubles you are having, so these troubles are simply giving you a better clarity in your situation, guys, Aquarius. So that is what I see with these cards, Aquarius. Thank you for watching, guys. If you want more clarity, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards today. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So if you have any doubts or confusions in your mind, you can think about it. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start with the first card. We will see what it is. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card, it's from nothing to everything. So that is the card for y'all guys. So with this card, it just means that today in your situation, in order to receive something fresh, new, and something great for you, something much better than your dreams or fantasies, you need to let go, maybe become empty. So we need space to receive something that is coming in our life, guys. This may mean letting go of the attachment you have towards your person in order to receive that genuine love that is coming towards you. And maybe you are holding on to your fantasy about a dream job, but today for that most soulful, passionate and successful occasion, you have to accept some guidance in your life today, guys. It just means that you need to take one day at a time, guys. Live one day at a time and maybe surrender the fantasy, dream or a story, whatever we have for ourselves, because reality is knocking at our door, and with the delivery of what we have been fantasizing about, but in the best way for us. So what is the best? It will be better than our dreams or fantasies. So that is what is coming towards us. And maybe the dying of this dream or fantasy is really stressing us. It may be really painful, giving us a lot of grief. But dying to that attachment or the opinions we have, that is what is happening, and this is the time we can stop dreaming and start living. So that is what is unfolding in our life today, and we should not fear this process that is happening and embrace this process without expectation for future, and have trust in your heart that divine energy or God or universe, whatever you call it, is simply guiding you from fantasy into fulfillment, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card, the second card, let's see what is the card. It says withdraw. So with this card, guys, in your situation, it just means that we need to see things differently. So maybe we need time alone, maybe. So withdrawing does not mean breakup or trying to avoid that situation. It just means that we need a temporary disengagement from that circumstance in order to get clarity. So when we have time alone, that rest gives us time for a better clarity in our situation and inner wisdom to discern all facts. So you need to be really if you want to be really clear about the way things are in your life and see things as it is for what it is in truth, you have to see it with a different perspective. See it as a third person. Only then you will be able to see your situation without being judgmental. Just observe your situation, allow thoughts to flow, and you will know what is the right thing or what is the right way to handle your situation, and you will have that guidance in your heart and insight into your circumstance, guys. So whatever problems you are facing today in this relationship, You need, if you want that inner wisdom, you have to take time to think alone, guys. So get that clarity. So that is the energy with this angel guidance card here for y'all, for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.